Welcome to English Quizler. Today, we're testing your skills with an intermediate indirect speech quiz. Can you score 40 out of 40? Let's see how strong your grammar really is. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel.
He asked us to show our passports. She said that she could finish the work the next day. They said they had gone to Paris before. He said he was playing football. She told me that she had seen the movie before. He said that he would go to the party if he finished his homework. The teacher told us that the Earth is round. She said that she was tired. He said that he had a car. She asked me where I came from. They said they might arrive late. He asked me what I was doing. She asked me whether I like tea or coffee. He said he could speak English fluently. They said that it was raining. She told me she had lost her keys. He said that he had seen her before. The teacher told the students that water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. She said that she would go shopping the next day. He asked me when I was coming. They said they were watching TV. She asked me if I could help her. He said that he had never been there before. She said that she was ready soon. He asked me why I was late. They said they had finished their homework. She said she was happy to see me. He said that he could play the guitar. She told us that she had gone to the doctor the day before. He said that he had sent the letter. She asked him if he loved her. They said they would come tomorrow. He told me that he had lived there for 2 years. She said that she was tired yesterday. He asked her when she would arrive. They said they had seen that film before. She said she might be late. He asked me what I was doing there. She said that she was sick. They said they were working hard.
Awesome job! How many did you get right? Let me know your score in the comments. I'd love to see how you did. If you found this quiz helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss more fun and useful English lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.